So what's up, guys? This is a patient who has not been brushing their teeth for probably about 15 to 20 years. And that is a huge chunk of calculus, aka tartar, that has built up underneath the gum line as well as all over that tooth. That is enormous, and it's causing quite a bit of bone loss around the teeth. So we're using now what's called an ultrasonic scaler to chisel and chip away at that tartar and sucking up all the water that's coming out of there. It has to spray water so it doesn't heat up too much and ruin the tooth. And this is amazing. It's chiseling and chipping it away. That is phenomenal. That's a huge piece of rock there that is coming off. Very rare to see this much calculus, by the way. Wow. And now you can see how big that is. That is enormous. And remember, you know what I'm going to say? No coke, no drugs. Thank you.